Okay, here we have a worksheet as part of our dinosaur theme unit, and it's a Can You Finish the Picture worksheet. It says, I am a dinosaur. I have plates on my back. My name is Stegasaurus. And we've got a picture here that I found on our iPad for clip art. And we're just going to copy what we see here. So here's the spikes on the back. We're going to start from the front spike, and we're going to come out to make this kind of long head. Doesn't really have a long neck so much as he's got a long head. So we're going to bring a line that comes out like that. And then we're going to do sort of a U shape that comes around. So here's a U shape. Comes around like that. And we're going to come back across. This is underneath the neck to there. So we've kind of done this line right here that comes around. You can see we can kind of put his little eye in here and give him a little smile if we want. We want to come underneath to where the front leg's going to be. So we're going to do a little bit of a curving line that comes down. And then it's going to come under for the belly. We'll stop there. We want to draw his front leg. So we're going to do not a straight down line, but kind of a curving line like this. And then it's going to kind of come back and come down. And we'll go out here for the foot, so kind of a big, long, skinny letter U shape. And we'll come back up, but we'll curve this line. We won't make it a straight up line. There we go. There's his leg. And we need a little leg on the other side for the front, so underneath the belly here, we're going to make a line come down. We'll make another one come down over here. And we'll give it that sort of U-shaped foot to connect those two lines. Now he needs a bit of a belly, so we're going to do from underneath the leg here, sort of imagine this line continues around behind the leg. We're going to do a belly that just goes across just for a little bit, just a short line. We're going to do this back leg. Look how much more powerful and larger the back leg is compared to the front. So again, we're going to do we'll start way up here, sort of up in the back end of the dinosaur. We're going to do a big curving line that comes down like that. And we're going to do that kind of skinny letter U. Make this end a lot longer coming back. And then we want to make the leg go back up, but again, we don't want to just go straight up. So we're going to do a curving line like that. And another curving line that comes up to finish off the back of the leg. So we've done that part there. And he needs this back leg that's hiding back here. So again, underneath the belly, let's do a line that comes down. Let's do a line that comes down. And then let's do that kind of U shape, U on the side, to connect those two lines for the back foot. All right, let's take a look at the tail. It's a thick tail, but it's not super long. And look, it's got a couple of spikes at the end of the tail. So I'm going to make my tail come down and up like this, and come back down and around like that. There's my tail. And we're going to add those spikes. There's one on this side, and there's one on this side, kind of like horns. Spikes there on the end of his tail. And there's our Stegosaurus. Just needs some coloring. Here in this picture they've done him green, so I might do him green or brown, or your choice. I think I'll follow along with the colors here. And there's my Stegosaurus.